Automating your finances can truly simplify money management, especially if you're a young professional with a packed schedule. Imagine having savings, investments, and bills handled in the background, giving you more freedom to focus on life's priorities. Start by setting up auto savings. Arrange for a portion of each paycheck to transfer directly to a savings account on payday. This effortless step helps you build a financial cushion without even noticing it, ensuring you're consistently putting money aside for goals like an emergency fund or future travel. Next, try auto investing with a robo-advisor. These platforms can manage your investments based on your preferences, risk tolerance, and objectives. By allocating your funds into a diversified portfolio, you're passively growing wealth while you concentrate on your career and passions. Finally, streamline your bill payments by automating recurring expenses like rent, utilities, or loan payments. This approach prevents late fees and takes the pressure off remembering due dates. These automated strategies allow you to build and protect wealth without constant hands-on effort. With your finances on autopilot, you gain peace of mind and the freedom to enjoy life while your money quietly works in the background.